Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking grills, and we just purchased a new grill mat. We're going to open it up, lay it out underneath the grill, and basically see how it looks and how it performs. Let's take a look. DIYers, we are outside now, and down below in the comments and description section will be a few links, one of which is how to install a garden hose mount to the exterior wall of your home. And we just upgraded to the Richard Karn pocket hose. And what a significant difference in the amount of space it takes up on your wall near your spigot. So definitely check those out. Let's continue back. We just got done painting our deck and we allowed it to dry for a few days. It's a nice morning today. And here is our cover. And the deck is completely dry, and we are basically going to lay the mat and bring our grill out of the garage and basically set up our deck for the summer. I've now removed it from the packaging, and as you can see, it looks like it's got its own cover, which is nice. I'll open that up. And material and quality wise, really nice. And I will continue opening this up and show you. Next, I separated the mat from the cover, and the cover itself is good quality, as you see. And I will continue unfolding the grill mat. And I did just that. As you see, the grill mat is now unfolded, and here it is in relation to the cover size wise. And got a little visitor here. However, what I will do now is place the grill mat in the location that we have our grill and bring the grill up and show you what it looks like. DIYers, here we are up on the deck, and here's the location or placement we always have our grill. And as far as the grill mat, there is no top or bottom from what we can see. So just basically take a look at the mat and place the portion of the mat on the top that you like best. DIYers, there it is, the end result, and I really like it. And it's not flashy, it's not fancy, it's very standard color-wise and neutral, and it really goes well with the color scheme of our grill. And I like it on the white deck. And it is going to serve a few very important roles or purposes. And number one, like we said, it's going to alleviate grease from making direct contact with the deck itself. And that will alleviate us having to clean the deck on a regular basis. We do have to clean that portion. In addition, the weight of the grill over the year, basically these little legs here put indents into the paint. Now I could scrub those out and repaint, and those went away, but this will hopefully alleviate that. Again, we really like it. It is going to serve a few important roles or purposes. And DIYers, we wanted to show you that. In addition, we are again about to build our deck, and we'll show you what that looks like. And DIYers, the deck is all set up, all of the items pulled out of the garage and opened up. Took delivery of our brand new rug. And again, down below in the comments and description are links on all of the items in today's video. LED solar powered umbrella. And let's go over to the grill mat that we again just laid out. Wife came out, hung out on the deck, and she took a look at the size of the mat, and she is considering purchasing the larger one. Main reason is because the grill utensils hang, and well, they will probably drip grease or whatever is on the utensil on the outer portion where the mat does not cover, which is what we are trying to alleviate. Taking a step back, and DIYers, that is it. We hope this helps. We're not going to bore you with showing you the larger size. We're just going to order it and place it under the grill. From here, do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.